Hey guys, I'm here in Chicken again, and I'm gonna be looking for some ghosts. I'm gonna be looking for some ghosts slash entities that on Chicken Gun better be looking. So yeah, I recently I posted two videos of looking some entities, and I found two of them. They are scary, but there's an entity in this map that is much scarier than the two others. So let's get started. And guys, if you see something and I didn't saw you, comment down below. So we're gonna be looking around the map to see if there's something. So yeah, let's explore this side first. Oh shoot. My car is drifting. Stop drifting. Bro, stop drifting. Stop getting out of the line. Oh. There's nothing here. I don't see anything different here, so let's go explore the other side. Oh great, my car is stuck. Guys, I don't think I can find something here in this map. For the love of God, stop drifting! Well, let's see if there's something here. Well, there's nothing here. Just some rocks. I'm gonna be looking very serious. Guys, I like to use this car because it's fun. It's fun to use this car. It's fun to use this car. It was very expensive to buy it, so yeah. I'm not gonna be. Bro, my car keeps getting out of the. Now, I'm getting out of here, bro. I saw something right there, so I'm not gonna go back.